Makes me pissed off.
Yeah,
All right, this is week 2, Tuesday. Quarter 4, Math 7. This is the 6th assignment on triangle inequality relationships. It says which angle, either 1, 3, or 4, has the greatest measure. Well, if you look at it, doesn't 1 look like, you need to rewrite this, angle. Well, actually, you don't have the right angle. Make sure you use a symbol. Angle 1 is obtuse, right? And then you just say angle 1 is greater, right? Followed by angle 4, followed by angle 3. Be careful with the angle symbol and the greater symbol. So angle 1, angle 4, angle 3. You see that? Yes.
So this is greater. Greater, less, okay? List the angle and the side and the form from smallest to largest. So you can't do this until you know what degree this is. You understand? But you know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what degree?
C equal to 180.
Yeah, now replace it. X minus 1 plus X plus 6 plus 2X plus 3 equals 180. Copy that down. Combine the x's. Combine the numbers. And you should find x equals 43 degrees. Once you have x equals 43 degrees, you need to plug it in. So A is 42 degrees. Angle C is 89 degrees. This one is 49 degrees. So you could say that angle C is greater than angle B is greater than angle A, right?
Mhm.
Now remember, you're looking for the angle opposite side. So opposite of C is AB. Do you see that? So then what we're going to do is we're going to put AB, segment AB is greater than. The side that's opposite of B is AC. Do you see that? Side that is opposite of A, oh, I heard that, is BC.
What?
So your answer is right here. So list the angles and the sides. So here's your angles. So make sure you write it down. So this is angle. And this right here is sides. Okay? So go ahead and do that. All right, is it possible to form a triangle with sides 3, 4, and 8? So why not?
It's because ratio. Or no ratio.
I think you can. I think the third one, it has to be bigger than the other two combined. But let's just check to make sure. So you are not able to because the sum of the two sides have to be bigger than the sum of the third side. Okay? And since 3 plus 4 is only 7, those are not greater. So 7 is 3 plus 4, which is not greater than 8. Okay? Number 4, find the range for the measure of the third side of a triangle when given that two sides have measure 5 and 11. So what you can do is you can think about, okay, if M is the largest side, right? Then 5 plus any number has to be bigger than 11, correct? So 5 plus 6 will give me 11, so it could be 7, right? 7 or more, right? So has to be greater than 6, right? Because 6.1 will give you 11.1, which is fine. It's bigger than 11, right? But if 11 is one of the smaller numbers, then 5 plus 11 is 16, right? And so your third side have to be less than 16. So x, which is the third side, it's going to be greater than 6, less than 16. Do you see that? Okay, so go ahead and write that down. Because remember, determine the possible values of x. Okay, I don't know how she expects you to do that when she hasn't explained anything.
Like the same time.
All right, so find the longest side in the figure. So you need to find all the angles, right? Is 82 plus 46 plus 36 180? Sure.
Oh,
So for this triangle ADB or ABD, 180 minus 82 minus 46 is 52. This is wrong. Okay, which one has the largest angle? The largest angle is 95, correct? That is the largest side. Or the longest. Longest side, the angle is 95 degrees. So that is going to be BD. You see that? What's the next one? What's the next angle that's biggest? So that's the biggest. Second biggest is angle 82. I'm going to make sure 95 plus 16, 180 minus 111. This is wrong. This is 69.
yeah, I messed up.
Okay. So 82 is degrees is going to be side AB. Do you see that? Third longest side. What's the next angle that's larger than 82 or smaller, largest one, but smaller than 82?
69.
69 degrees, right? Which side is that opposite of?
82.
No. If this angle right here is 69, what side is opposite of this angle right here? BC. You see that? I don't think you see this. Look, pay attention, please. This angle right here, 82. What side is opposite of this 82 degrees? Do you see that? It's not A and B, it's just AB. Okay? All right, you got it. Now, I want you to label the rest of them. So that's a 3 angles. There's 3 other angles and 3 other sides. So what's the 4th, 5th, and 6th? Finish that, you should be good. Yeah.
And like,
Cookie.